Weisheit des Tages, lieber rund und gesund wie schlank und krank.
Danke.
She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list.
Also heute haben wir da gefahren, sind gut weggekommen in Montenegro am Campingplatz. Und jetzt geht es dann an den Teil, das wird ein wenig happig, aber mal schauen, wie weit wir kommen. Und heute geht es zum Mausoleum auf Peter, den zweiten Aufgabenberg. Und heute werden wir in der Buchtfahrt gut schlafen.
Danke Simon.
Yeah. Can't think when she's aggressive. Yeah. She snuck into my section. Yeah. You think I'd learn my lesson. Yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep. Yeah. No, we ain't getting no sleep. Yeah. She's sitting up in the front of the class, using that ass, she gonna pass. Keeping her pad and her pen in her lap. She been so bad with the men in her past. Now she just want the professor so bad. I'll give her lessons that she never had, like taking a freshman and teaching her math. I'll keep her guessing until she a grad. She always leaves them guessing. They don't know what's next, man. Learned it from the best, man. She loving every lesson with hands-on sessions. Points for attendance. She asks a lot of questions.
Was ist das Magnet, oder?
I sit back while I'm texting. Said she wants to get in. Said she'll bring her best friend. Know what happened next, man. You know what happened next, man. Treat her like a guest, man. Rolling out the best, man. She had a confession. Yeah. She wanna stay for a minute. She wanna play for a minute. She wanna stay for a minute. And now I'm all up in it. I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back in a minute. Make a track in a minute. And now I'm all up in it. No sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep. Yeah. No, we ain't getting no sleep. Yeah. No sleep. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Camptag 5. Ja. Bucht von Kommentar.
Nehmen wir rein.
Sind wir noch fast über zum Essen.
Mal Mittagessen kosten.
Mit so Sandstahlbad hast? Was sagst du im heutigen Tag?
Ja, hat Spaß.
Nein, eigentlich das inoffizielle Motto für heute ist, die anderen haben auch Bremsen. Weil ohne dem kannst du nirgends fahren. Warum? Weil die alle, weil jeder fährt wie er will in Montenegro. Tag 6, wir sind gerade in der Bucht von Kommentar auf dem Campingplatz und wir fahren jetzt Richtung Kroatien weiter. Da schauen wir auf den Jure, das ist eine Aussichtsplattform. Und ja, dann schlafen wir heute in Makaska und Dubrovnik. Schauen wir uns heute auch noch an, sind wir schon gespannt, wie das wird und dann werden wir wahrscheinlich am Pausetag gehen. Schauen.
I grow, I keep hunting. No, I need nothing. Supposed to be something so close to me. Jumping down in the worst kind of way. You took
Challenge Tag 6.
Try my ride. Genau nach diesem Motto muss jedes Team sein Auto plus Beifahrer tauschen. Das heißt, jeder muss in einem anderen Auto sitzen und muss einen anderen Beifahrer haben. Das Ganze über mindestens 3 Stunden. Jedes neue Team muss ein Foto in seinem neuen Auto machen und dieses in der MPG Balkan Rallye Fotogruppe posten. So geil.
Der Fahrer ist wieder kaputt.
I'm gonna go insane. Always on the grind, but still everything's the same. I'm sick of wasting time, wish I didn't feel this way. But with this kind of
Dann wird die Lose vorbereitet. Für
Kann man alles loben.
Challenge Tag 6.
want the time just to slow. My mind's feeling low. Say I'm fine, but I know that I might be alone. Felt love in the worst kind of way. You took all of my time and didn't give it back to me. Wasn't enough, and I don't know what to say. You wanna fall in love, but don't wanna feel the pain. And I'm so low, cause I don't know if I'm alone, if I'm unknown, but I won't go.
So, jetzt geht's los. Challenge Tag 6, wir tauschen jetzt die Autos. Die dürfen ins Skoda fahren. Schauen wir, ja. Der macht jetzt den Leader. Thomas darf mit unserem Auto fahren. Fahrertausch erfolgreich, Beifahrertausch auch. Tag 6. Wann machen wir unseren Pausetag? Das Hartbahn.
Ein Engelarbeiter in einem ungewohnten Terrain.
I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame. I admit it.
Pausetag. Tulu da hinten zum Limit. Motto Tag 7.
Tag 7, da warten magst du mehr wieder rein.
Sieht man da hinten.
Best of me now, best of me now, best of me. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you